Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So quite a few eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely, if the price can stay up above 001. And you can see on a couple of different occasions right here, the bears did try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And, you know, that's definitely a good sign of strength going forward. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price does fall below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power on the bulls end. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this obviously assumes that you care about more so a big picture perspective. But that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic perspective in terms of, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays up above it, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. No questions about it. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through some healthy consolidations and building some higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, then big picture perspective, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and watch the chart take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.